Postscript is an SMS marketing solution currently used by over 3,500 businesses. But is it the right SMS marketing software tool for you? We seek to answer that question as we cover the most important things you should consider before purchasing an SMS marketing tool, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a Postscript customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. Software Pundit gave Postscript an analyst rating of 85 out of 100, and it is currently ranked 7th in our SMS marketing software category. Postscript is one of the most affordable SMS marketing tools. It offers pre-built automations that are robust and designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. Also, Postscript integrates seamlessly with Shopify. On the other hand, campaign creation options are limited to solely custom campaign creation. Moreover, many crucial analytics for Shopify businesses are not available, and there are very few custom fields for personalized messages. Postscript pricing starts at $25 per month, and pricing is based on the amount of messages sent per month. Inbound messages are free, and prices include all carrier fees. Postscript comes with a variety of SMS marketing software features. Postscript has various templated segments for e-commerce businesses. This is helpful for both new and experienced marketers. Segmentation in Postscript is adequate and more robust than tools like simple texting. It also has a comparable amount of segmentation options as SMS Bump. However, SMS Bump organizes them in a far more user-friendly way. Automations in SMS marketing are messages that are sent following a specific customer action, also known as triggers. Types of customer actions can include when a fulfillment is created or when an order is delivered. Automations are excellent in Postscript. They are easy to set up, detailed, and designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. Automations are activated depending on the trigger you choose. Where Postscript goes further is the ability to filter your triggers. Usually, these filters would have to be set separately in a segmentation tab, so this is a powerful way to curb this workflow. Building a campaign in Postscript is similar to many other SMS marketing tools. You can choose who to send your campaign to, add external media for MMS messages, and include custom tags such as discount or product links. In addition to normal scheduling, Postscript supports safe sending. This enables an interval of 16 hours to ensure there's enough time between texts you send to subscribers. Analytics in e-commerce is extremely important to track your progress in sales. Unfortunately, Postscript does not have comprehensive analytics for your business. The analytics dashboard feels incomplete for experienced marketers and hard to navigate for new users. The only visual graph included is one that compares revenue and total sent messages. Drill-down capabilities are also limited, meaning it's tough to dig into your data and complete granular analyses. You can expand some sections in the bottom sheet, but they are not comprehensive. Statistics like total spent, revenue sources, and ROI are very important for e-commerce businesses, and it's unfortunate that they are not available in Postscript. If analytics is important to you and your business, you may want to consider alternatives like SMS Bump. Postscript is an affordable and powerful SMS marketing solution used by over 3,500 businesses. It includes essential features most SMS marketing tools have, with strengths in automation and segmentation features. Postscript's capable features, along its fair pricing, make it an optimal choice for Shopify store owners. If pricing is not a main concern for your business, and you're looking for the best tool for e-commerce SMS marketers, we suggest SMS Bump. If you're interested, you can try Postscript today by clicking the link in the description. Do you agree with our recommendation for Postscript? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.